50-50 parenting time is in vogue again, and today we'll examine recent Illinois cases that clarify when it's appropriate to award or potentially appeal an equal parenting time judgment. Hello again, this will take less than 3 minutes, so let's get to it. Now, I had the dubious honor, if you will, of representing the appellant in the Virgin case. It's the leading case against shared parenting, but hear me out here. Virgin was, as the opinion indicates, one of the highest conflict cases out there. Criminal charges, restraining orders, you name it. And the decision held that 50-50 parenting time is a no-go in high conflict cases. It set a limit on when equal parenting time was a non-starter because up until then, we had just really one shared parenting decision, Perez, which upheld 50-50 over mom's objection because it was a low conflict case. Now, we've had other 50-50 decisions come down since Virgin, and I believe they give us sort of a spectrum to refer to when addressing equal parenting time cases. For example, we have the Burnett decision. It's a Rule 23 case, so it's not binding like Perez or Virgin, but it can be cited as persuasive authority, and in that case, there was acrimony, but it was very low, and the judge awarded 50-50 over mom's objection, and the appellate court upheld it. We also have the Brenda case, again, a Rule 23, but here, the parties had 50-50, but all they did was fight, and the judge said, you know what, shared parenting isn't working, and took it away from mom. Now, Brenda wasn't as high conflict as Virgin, but it was very elevated. Quick editor's note, 50-50 parenting time and decision-making are somewhat separate in Illinois. Example, we had the Saunders decision where the judge awarded 50-50 but gave one parent some decision-making authority over the other, and the appellate court upheld it despite the equal parenting time schedule. Okay, that all said, I feel that the viability of 50-50 comes down to where on the spectrum the case falls. The higher it is, the less likely a judge will award it, or the more likely an appellate court will reverse it. And to address all those that say, well, she starts all the drama, read Burnett. In that decision, what drama existed came, well, solely from mom, which I feel played a major role in the court awarding dad 50-50. Anyways, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.